equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a small screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean cloth. First, power off your Surface 1901. Next, remove the screws on the back cover. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the prying tool to lift the back cover. Be careful not to damage the clips. Now, you'll see the battery. Before removing it, check for any dust or debris. A clean internal space helps your device run better. Disconnect the battery connector carefully. Then, remove the old battery. Place the new battery in, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector. Before sealing the device, do a quick visual inspection. Look for any loose connections or dirt. Now, replace the back cover and secure it with the screws. If you need help, remember, professional diagnosis without obligation is available. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about no calls, no travel. Get a quote before repair to know your costs upfront. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.